Welcome back, editors. Today, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to make this type of trending intro, which is currently very popular on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And this tutorial is in very simple steps. After watching this tutorial, you won't need to watch any other tutorial. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and comment below telling me what topic you want the next tutorial on. Add music and a black background. Add beats on the music. Add your first character freeze frame. Remove its background. Set its duration equal to the background. Add one keyframe here and one at the end. Go to the first keyframe, slightly rotate it, and move it to the left side. Use a custom graph. Add your second freeze frame. Go to crop and select the ratio 1:1. Increase its size/height and place it on the top left side. Adjust it according to your freeze frame. Add the rest of the freeze frames. Apply the same steps as you did on the second freeze frame and keep all positions different. Adjust all freeze frame durations and place them according to the beat. Go to Layer and set it to Topper. At the start, add a keyframe and add another one a little ahead where the beat is. Go to the starting keyframe, slightly rotate it, zoom it, and move it to the left side. Use an ease out graph. Apply the same step on the next freeze frame, but move it to the right side instead of left. At the start, add a keyframe and add another one a little ahead where the beat is. Go to the starting keyframe and move it to the left side. Use an ease out graph. Apply the same animation to the last freeze frame as before. Just move it to the right side instead of left. Duplicate the freeze frame and move it down. Go to Layer and reduce one layer. Send it backward. Increase its size slightly and move it a little to the left so it looks like a shadow. Go to Adjust and increase whiteness. Go to Effects and select Glow 2. Adjust it to 100% and 50%. Duplicate it and set it on another overlay. Go to Effects and select Play Pendulum. Set its duration equal to the timeline. Adjust it to 15% 0% and 75% 0%. Go to Effects and select Shake. Keep its duration as short as possible. Place it on the beat. Duplicate it and apply it on every beat.